Unlock flexible payments on Amazon with Clearpay. Why Euro your key to spreading the cost of almost anything. First things first, head over to Amazon and find the perfect item you've been eyeing, whether it's a new gadget, stylish clothing, or home essentials. Clearpay can help make it more affordable. Once you've added your desired item to your Amazon cart, proceed to checkout as you normally would. At the payment stage, you'll see various payment methods. Keep an eye out for the Clearpay option if it's available for your order. You'll see it listed here. Select Clearpay, and you'll be guided through a quick and easy process to confirm your installment plan. This usually involves reviewing the payment schedule and approving the terms. Clearpay typically divides your purchase into 4 equal interest-free payments. You'll pay the first installment today, and the remaining 3 will be automatically debited every 2 weeks. Confirm your order, and that's it. You've successfully used Clearpay to pay for your Amazon purchase. Enjoy your shopping and the flexibility of spreading the cost with Clearpay on Amazon. Getting what you want is now more budget-friendly than ever. Happy shopping with Clearpay and Amazon.